Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video every day. It means so much to me if you can also subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release my videos. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jan. My YouTube channel is focused 90% skincare and beauty and 10% lifestyle. So let's take a look at next video so you can get to know me a little bit more.
So much.
How
I've been
do you
filming,
look like this?
You know how I look like this. I use these two products like day to day. This is so. I want to talk to you about my ritual because I have a ritual.
Everyone can use this, and this special kit after your toner, then you can put a couple drop, press on the skin. It balances, it renews the skin, make your skin even more radiant. Now you know my background. I have lots of years experience in cosmetics, over 27 years, and I started my skincare brand called Yibu Beauty last year, so definitely check out Yibu Beauty too. If you like what you see so far, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and you can count on my recommendation and skincare tips. Alright, today's videos we are doing my favorite thing, that is unboxing. We are gonna unbox April Allure Beauty box. Let's open this baby up, see if this is worth the money. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription and it's $23 every month, and you will receive the value up to $395. There are 6 items in here, 3 are sample or travel, and 3 are full sizes in there. And sometimes they will throw extra goodie in there. So I think for $23, not bad at all. Allure Beauty Box definitely has been a major upgrade. They used to be very small, but now they are bigger. So bigger box, that means there's bigger items in there. When you open the box, it's always going to look the same. The Allure Beauty Box informations and pamphlet in here. And what I like about the pamphlet here is basically give you all the information in regard to product that you will be receiving from the box. So we're going to use this to go through them. They also sometimes offer some special deal that you can scan QR code. You can buy fragrances for really good deal. So it's a great way that if you want to save money, this is the great way to do it too. So let's take a look. The first product, shall we? First product, it's I hope I don't pronounce this wrong, by OSEA. And this is their OSEA Essential Hydrating Oil. And this is 1 ounce for $68. Whoa, wise. That's a pretty expensive. Okay, so let me see, what is this? They say that 1 pump of this facial oil can soothe and moisturize the skin without feeling oily or greasy. Really? So they blend it with 8 different oils, including moisturizing jojoba seed. Other oil, it leaves the skin soft and supple. Okay, let's try it now. It's a little, it's pretty nice, the glass packaging, and this is in the little pump right here. So let me just try it, see how this oil look. Okay, that's about 1 pump. I'm gonna feel this on the skin. Oh, this smells pretty good. I think their wording is very tricky. It says 1 pump. It's proof that facial oil can soothe and moisturize the skin without feeling oily and greasy. So they are not making a claim. They are making the statement of the most facial oil. I think that's what it means. I don't understand when they say it doesn't feel greasy or oil. It's definitely oil on the skin. So that's a very interesting. But either way, it's one of those oils not too thick. You know, sometimes you have this facial oil. They are very dense, very thick. This is okay. You know, not super lightweight, not dry oil at all. You can definitely feel the oil on the skin, but it feels very comfortable. It has that little lavender scent in there. I'm not sure what scent they use. but it smells very calm and soothing. And oil is a great treatment to repair your skin if you have any sensitivity or your skin feel dehydrated. Oil can seal everything. So I would definitely give it a try. I mean, this is $68 for 1 ounce. Whoa, that's expensive. Let's look at next item now. Ulta MD, and this is their UV Sheer Broad-Spectrum SPF 50, and they're selling for $30 for 1.7 ounce. So this is only 1 ounce. This is their travel size. So this you're looking at maybe around $17, $18. So let's try this now. It's pretty nice size, as you can see that. Sunblock has come a long way for the US market. For some reason, US market is known for their sunblock. The best sunblock is actually from Japan or Korea, the Asia country. It has a much more sophisticated technology and can produce a sunscreen that does not look like you're wearing the white geisha face on your skin. You know what I mean? So let's try it. Just a little bit on this. Let's see if this is gonna make my hand look white. You can definitely see this white cast already on the camera. You see that? But it's not bad. It's not bad. I've seen much worse before, and it actually dries very quickly. Wow, it dries very quickly. And I don't smell heavy duty sunblock, so I like that. A broad spectrum, that really means it's against aging and the burning in the same time. So this is fantastic. You know, I love a good sunblock, and I usually use the sunblock I use is from Asia. American sunblock, I haven't found one that really worked for me yet. So, all right, let's look at next item here. The next item is by, it's by the Beauty Crop Melon Jelly Dewy Primer XXL. This is $22 for 1 ounce. Wow. So it's just a primer. I mean, you use this on the clean skin before your foundation, so your makeup will go on smoother and softer. It's a pretty watery texture. I mean, you can see it from this, but it's come out a little bit thicker. It has a little hint of watermelon. Oh, that smells good. So you want to put this on the face before you apply your foundation, so this become a primer, and it also protect your skin not the right touch from the makeup. So it's good. Wow, I'm kind of blown away skincare. How expensive are they? $22 for 1 ounce. Okay, let's look at next item we have here. The next item is called UVE Violet Blender, and this little one here is $19. Wow, that's pretty expensive. But when I touch this, it's actually pretty nice. It's feel medium density. You can see that I like my sponge just a little bit, not too soft. If it's too soft, I don't like it. So this is pretty good. For almost $20, this is very small. Okay, so let's continue to see what else is happening here. This baby right here is $24. It's by Satin Luxe Liquid Glow. Liquid Glow, let's see. So obviously this is the shimmer, and you want to use this over your makeup, or sometimes you can use this under the makeup if you want to. It's much more settled than what I was thinking, because when you look at the packaging, the colors are very bronze colors. This goes on almost nothing. Oh, I like this. You see that little shimmer? Oh, I can totally use this. I love shimmer, but I don't like having glitter on my face. I mean, nothing wrong with glitter, but this type of glitter, if there's glitter in there, it's just too much. Mist, it's okay. No smell. Why? Provide really nice glow. I will definitely use this. Well, it's not like I need any more glow. I mean, just look at my skin. I have so much glow on my face already. Okay, the next one is definitely the travel size, but this is one of the things that everybody loves to have. So this is by Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I used this before, not bad. Tip for the dry shampoo is that you really want to shake it and then lift your hair up. Only focus on the roots. Then you want to massage a little bit and just kind of brush out. It's not meant to be spread all over your face, just so you guys know that. The next item is interesting. It is the nail art nail wraps. So you basically put this on your nail. This is $18. So this design, so by doing this, you don't damage your nail too much. Let me show you guys that. Different shade. It's very spring, right? You just put on your nail and then you just peel off, and you know, so you don't put chemical on your nails. Nail polish can be very bad for your skin and your nails. So this is an alternative for that. It's definitely going to be better. So yeah, so that's the item I received for box. I gotta tell you, for $23, I'm getting a lot of cool stuff right here. I definitely love the sunblock. Believe it or not, I like the glow. I love stuff like this. And of course, I'm gonna use the sponge because I wear makeup when I do YouTube videos. The primer, I don't know. We'll see how that goes. This one, I don't know, because it's oily. I don't know why they say it's not oily, but it's oily. But anyway, I mean, I'll give it a try. And of course, the dry shampoo. By the way, dry shampoo can create volume for the hair. Let me show you. Oops. Did I say don't spray on your face? Oh my goodness. You just do that on the roots area. And you just blend it out a little bit. And that's it. And then this actually gives you a little volume for the hair. So pretty nice. And go check out Yibu Beauty. Right now, we are offering triple point event. So what it means is every dollar you purchase at Yibu, you get 1 point. When you spend $100, you get 100 points. Then your next purchase will be $5 off. Triple point simply means every dollar you spend, you get 3 points. So for example, again, you buy the $36, you will get 108 points versus 36 points. And the next purchase, you get $5 off. Not to mention, Yibu Beauty also offers 3 easy payment interest-free too. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today.
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.